Dun-dun! Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I'm going to show you the Honor Wing, the new gaming series device. And today we are going to have a quick unboxing and hands-on video about this device. And today we have black color, 12GB RAM plus 256GB RAM edition. Okay, next. Let's unbox it. Actually, we test a lot of gaming phones and they all promise speed, power, and cool design. But there's always one enemy that can't seem to beat. And let's see what's this time, how Honor Wing gives the answer. Because this type they provide a massive 10,000 mAh battery. It's not just a power bank with a screen, it's a full-blown gaming beast with built-in tempo fan and flagship cameras. Okay, now let's unbox it and find out. Whoa. Okay, so after we open the box, the phone is in front of us. It's well protected in a soft plastic bag. And before we check the device, let's check the accessories first. So under the device, we find another small box inside the big smartphone box. It's inside this package. Okay, you find the case and also to provide a gift card for the membership of Honor, and it's also a warranty card. You can scan the QR code to get the gift, get the right. Okay, so let's put it aside, and this is the case. Okay, it's just a normal transparent plastic. Okay, I think it's kind of silicone case. Okay, let's put. Okay, this is the SIM card eject. Okay, let's put it them aside, and then on this package you'll find the cable. Okay, this is the white cable. It's a USB-A to Type-C cable. Okay, nothing special for the cable. And let's put it aside again. And okay, now it's the charger. Maximum 100 watt charger supported, and yes, 100 watt Honor fast charging. Okay, let's put it back, and then whoa, let's go to the smartphone. Yes, let's get it out from the bag. Nice, and it's a black color mated glass back panel, and its puberty is all black. The frame, the mantle frame, also black. Just the logo is a silver color. And after remove the label, now we can find at the back side of the smartphone, we can only find it the Wing series model name is red color, and the logo is Honor logo is silver. And also we can find it the smartphone fan. Yes, smartphone fan. And now let's quick set up for the device, and then I'll enter the smartphone. Okay, let's skip, and yes, everything is done. It's powered by MagicOS 10. Nice, try it. Whoa, so this is the Honor new Wing series gaming device, and we can see it's a straight screen, 6.78-inch AMOLED display, and also it supports a punch hole front camera, left and right button up, same narrow bezel, and also it's powered by the triple camera system with front single camera. Okay, let's go to the settings to check more information about the device, and we can see this time it's powered by the MagicOS and also the Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 processor, 10,000 big battery, and RAM and ROM supported 12GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, and support external retro RAM, almost 2K display resolution, 2800 by 1272 display resolution, and also they used on-developer RF enhanced chipper on the C1 Plus and power enhanced chipper on the E2. Okay, next, let's go to the settings to check the refresh rate. Okay, nice, maximum refresh to 185. And also you can manage apps by using different refresh rate. Okay. Also, let's try the most interesting about this device is the built-in fan. You can choose smart mode or manual mode and adjust the working power of the fan manually, and you can also set smart control by charging or start up sound effect. And now there's two air outlets, and one is at the bottom side of the smartphone, and another one is well hidden at the bottom of the camera part. And this is the first here. Another one is near the Wing Series logo. It's not easy to find it, but actually it's very nice design because it's not can reduce the inner temperature, but also can cooling the back panel of the device. Now let's test it. Now I use the thin paper, and we can see it blow the thin paper. Yes. You can find the thin paper is flatter. Yes. Nice. And this one, it's not easy to test it because it's well hidden at the bottom of the this side. Yes. Camera's on. But my fingers can really feel it. It's very strong now because I adjust it to the maximum power of the fan. And okay, next. Yes, already maximum, and I will use the lighter to test it. It's more easy to make out the wing of the from the fan. Yes, now it's normal, and this angle. You can find it. Also, the fire is flatter, and if I use the phone outlet close to the lighter, it will crash out. Okay, so this is the Honor Wing built-in smartphone fan. Very quick test. And next, let's go to the camera part. Cooling fan. Let's turn off the cooling fan, and then let's go to the camera. So normally for the gaming phones, they doesn't have good enough cameras, but this time for the Honor Wing, let's check how its performance. And this time for the AAA camera system is 50 megapixel main camera, support OIS and 50 megapixel ultrawide, and also used for 8 megapixel telephoto with 2 times optical zoom. And also front camera is 32 megapixel. Now we go to the camera, and we can select the watermark, and also we can customize the bar of the camera. Yes, we can choose the watermark mode, and we can turn light on. Or yes. Okay. For the zoom. Okay, normal. It's the Honor Wing. Let's check it. Wide angle. 3 times, 6 times. Maximum support 100 times. Yes, 100 times. And I put all some pictures at the end of the video, so you check the qualities of the images we taken. Yes, the same paper. Let's go back. This is live. So it can take live pictures. Yes, I move my hand. and take it for video. 30 FPS, 1080. Front camera, it's a wide angle. It's a normal with beauty mode. Okay, it can extract the words we taken, so this is also very useful. I think some is you need to for the writing, handwriting text. It's not so accurate, but for the word is more accurate. This for the video, and this for the 4K, 720, 60 FPS, 30 FPS. Okay. And also, I think this device supports the low light night vision. We can adjust more here in the Pro mode. The light, the filters, EV, autofocus, everything you need, you can adjust here. And customize it at this part. Autofocus, manual focus, white balance. Okay, try it one by one. White light. Okay. Also, super macro. Nice. Normal. Yes, we can find these details. Two times. And for this part, I really like it's supposed 3 mode, the wide angle, the normal, and the 2 times telephoto. Sorry, the macro. This is a very nice function. Video, Pro mode, portrait, and night. And this is night mode. And now I turn off the light. And let's test the night mode. Okay. Yes, as we can see, it takes longer than the normal pictures. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's nice. But we can find the difference between the normal light and the dark light. And here's the details of the macro photos. Cool. Okay, so this is very quick test about the photo shooting. And also don't forget there's another button at the right side of the smartphone. It's the camera button. Nice. And we can double click to wake up the camera. And this is a shortcut for the camera part. Okay, also press it, take picture. Nice. It can save a lot of time if you just take phone from the pocket and then go to the camera part. But it's just you just need to double click, press, and then you can get the camera mode and just take it, and then you can take photos. And also, yes, it works with zoom in and zoom out functions. Very nice. And so this is a very quick test about a simple hands-on video about the Honor Wing. It's the new gaming series phone from Honor. Do you like it? Make a comment. Bye.